Hello, I am Graciela Gonzalez from monoDrive, and this is a short tutorial about how to create a two-way road with no median using the monoDrive Lanespline tool and the monoDrive scene editor. On the editor, navigate to the Modes panel and then look for the Classes search box and type monoDrive. Select monoDrive road from the options and click and hold and drag into the viewport where the road will start. With the road object selected, you can press the letter E to obtain the rotation tool, or you can also press the spacebar to switch between the rotation, scaling, and translation tool. With the rotation tool, rotate the road object to point on the direction of the road. Each road object has 2 points, the start point and the end point. The start point is the pivot you use to rotate the road. The end point is in the opposite side. Click on the end point and using the translation tool, move it all the way to the end of the road. This will create a spline of the same length as the road. With the road object selected, navigate to Details and then left-click on Add Forward Lane and Add Reverse Lane to create the second lane. As you can see in this case, the lane width is larger than the road we want to build. So let's go back to the details and look for the lane settings. On the lane settings, you will have the reverse lanes and the forward lanes. Select the forward lane to change the width of the lane. By default, all the lanes are 3.5 meters wide. In this case, let's change it to 2.75 meters and look at the result. Let's do the same for the reverse lane. With that, we have created a road with 2 lanes that any vehicle will be able to use to drive on. Thanks for watching this short tutorial. For more information, please review https://monodrive.readthedocs.io. See you next time.